I am traveling to Detroit, and look who I run into. It is a African-American pilot. I am so honored, so happy. He is from Indianapolis, Indiana. And how long have you been flying for?
About 10 years.
10 years. So go Delta. Yes, look out for us. And we are in those planes. Thank you so much. It was so nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Thank you.
All right.
On the flight.
Extra, extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah. Oh shoot, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war every exhibition.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fabuloso, and I finally landed in the D. Oh my gosh, I was flying all night, y'all. So yesterday I went to work all day. I had a really hard day at work, but I'm thankful, I'm blessed, I got through it. I left work, got on the expressway, and of course hit traffic. I don't know what happened. It's normally never any traffic, so I'm like, oh, I'm rushing home, like, oh my God, I hope I make it, and I did. So went home, did a few little things, and the next thing you know, it was time for my Uber. Raced to Las Vegas airport, caught my flight. The flight was great. And now I'm here in the D, and I am exhausted. So I've been flying all night. I probably had sleep in my eye. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I'm on my way to Niagara Falls. One of my really, really good friends invited me for a couple days, and my sister is coming, so I'm going to meet her as well. She's coming from New York, so I'm really excited to see her. So it's going to be a good time. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to be so much going on my vacation in Niagara Falls. So I want to take a quick nap, y'all, and I'll see you soon. Hey guys, my sissy is here. We made it. We're on our way to Niagara Falls. First thing I'm going to do is check in and then get right in the bed. I'm exhausted, so we will see you soon.
I bet don't do it. The morning calls, baby, you know that I won't pick up at the moment. I left the flowers right at your door. Cause it's the only way I show you that I'm sorry.
Hey y'all, I just crossed the border. I'm in Canada.
When you get this message, could you please just give me a call back?
It's time to let you go. I'm not pretending, listen, me, we're busy hiding the truth. That connection, that connection, so condescending, just forget it, I got nothing to lose. That connection, that connection. Wake up.
Bad little baby, I'm hot like tea. I'm a bad little chick with a body on me like no ring, ring, ring. Never met a girl like me in his dreams. Lit like big with a face on me.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
We here, Embassy Suites, Niagara Falls.
And pretending when the blame is on you.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fabuloso, and we had arrived at the hotel, and I already had been in the room. I already cried. It is amazing, and there was a special surprise in there for me. So thank you so much to my friend from Canada. I love you so much. Thank you. So come on a tour with me, guys. So I have suite 2311. So I'm gonna open up here, and welcome to my home for 5 days. So you come in and have this beautiful glam mirror. Hey girl. Come in here, have a beautiful couch. You can lay down and relax. And then over here I have a a little table and chair, and these flowers are fresh. Like they're not fake. These are brand new flowers. Beautiful chandelier. I have my TV over here. Beautiful lamp, floor lamp, which I love. And then this wet bar. I have my coffee in the morning. Got a microwave. There's a refrigerator over here. Sink. Then over here is the bathroom with another mirror, which I love. Come on in. I feel like I'm on Cribs. I always want to be on Cribs. So then we have, of course, a rain shower, which I love. Beautiful vanity and lighted underneath. That is a fabulous touch. And then my suite. You're going to die. Come on in. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And I had happy birthday balloons because I turned 50 from my friend from Canada. And guys, I have a little seating area, champagne, and look at this view. Oh my God, I cannot. So you can imagine when I came in, I was flipping out. I was running all around the place. I ran down to my sister's room. Her room is just as fabulous. But this view, I mean, come closer, sissy. It is out of this world. So you have the Canadian waterfall and it's the US waterfall too, or the Niagara Falls, I don't know. But it is a panorama view of everything. I mean, I could not be, I'm just so grateful. And then to have this set up in a room before I even got here is amazing. And this bed is so plush. Oh my God. I feel like I'm in a dream. So I will see you guys later. I'm gonna take a nap and then we're gonna, I think we're doing the mist, I think it's called, tonight. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I just got up. We are at Fridays. We came down to get a quick bite before we go to the mist. So I haven't eaten all day, all night, so I'm so hungry. So we're gonna start out with a little cocktail. So I got a strawberry Penny. Sissy, she got a strawberry margarita. Cheers. Let's try this. Oh, it's good. Alright, see you guys soon. Me and Sissy going to the mist. My little cocktail. This is where the cruise is going to be. We're not going yet, but we will be soon. Let me show you guys. This is where you get your red raincoat to get on the cruise. I cannot wait. Where's her? done.
Take my hand.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
Don't be scared. I know these streets. Don't you feel so alive? You could just die here in my arms, safe and sound. So take my hand, take all of me. Maybe I'm delirious, but I can't get enough of your touch. Delirious, hope that it's not too much. I just feel so alive. I could just die here in your arms, safe and sound. Maybe I'm delirious, but I can't get enough of your touch. If I could, I'd stop the time.
But an amazing experience. It is the end of the night.
Delirious.
Thank you, Luciano.